Did you know an Indian Airlines hires female flight attendants because they weight less, saving up to $500,000 a year in fuel? Did you know Princess Qajar, a symbol of beauty and smartness in Persia, 13 young men killed themselves because she rejected them? Did you know Selena Gomez holds 7 Guinness World Records, including most likes for an actor on Facebook and first person with 100 million followers on Instagram? Did you know Super Mario wears a hat because his creator Shigeru Miyamoto couldn't draw hair? Did you know many people want to be arrested here without reason? Ukrainian police. Did you know the world's biggest landowner is Queen Elizabeth II, who legally owns 16.6% of Earth's land surface area? Did you know in a Chicago museum is a 300 years old Egyptian statue that looks exactly like Michael Jackson? Did you know an outraged Indian king purchased 10 Rolls-Royce cars and used these cars as garbage collectors when he was insulted by a Rolls-Royce salesman in London saying he couldn't afford it? Did you know the first testicular guard was used in cricket in 1874 and the first helmet was used in 1974? It took 100 years for a man to realize that the brain is also important. Did you know this is how the inside of a Pokemon box looks like? Did you know when people copy your body language, it is a sign that they are trying to get close? Did you know how many of you know that the Kalki Koechlin great-grandfather Maurice Koechlin was a chief engineer for the construction of the Eiffel Tower and Statue of Liberty? Did you know, according to the first law of thermodynamics, we are all the same age as the universe since energy can neither be created and nor be destroyed? Did you know the Charlie Chaplin's daughter played Charlie Chaplin's mother in the 1992 biopic Chaplin? Did you know she was pregnant at 17 and was forced to be abortion the baby, but she didn't? Today that baby is known as Justin Bieber. Do you know when you truly love someone, you just want them to be happy, even if it is not with you? Did you know the actual blood vessels of a person who donated his body to science? Did you know when you look up at the blue sky and see little white dots flying around, you are actually seeing your own white blood cells? Do you know a New York City policeman stopped a traffic for a mother cat to carry one of her kitten across the street 1925? Did you know Stephen Hawking was born on the same day Galileo died and died on the same day Einstein born? Did you know Brahmanandan is the only actor who complete 100 films with a span of 28 years? His name has been placed in the Guinness Book of World. Did you know King Hamid International Airport in Saudi Arabia is bigger than the entire city of Mumbai? Did you know Queen Elizabeth II has a power to fire everyone Australia Parliament and she did it in 1975? Did you know the original photo of Leila and Majnun in the France Museum is Love Really Blind? Did you know is a PUBG mobile Chinese app? Yes, the mobile version of the game is developed by the Chinese company Tencent that makes it a Chinese application. However, the game does not have a Chinese origin as the game is made by a Bluehole, which is a Korean gaming company. Did you know a 17-year-old boy in Punjab spent 16 lakhs Indian rupees on a PUBG? He spent all savings of his parents and now is working at the scooter repair shop. Did you know Japan is working on developing a special technology that allows homes to rise above ground enough to protect the home in a case of earthquakes? Did you know at the end of Titanic the clock says 2:20 and Titanic sank at 2:20 am? Did you know the world's largest hotel Abraj Khudai with 10,000 rooms and 17 restaurants and the 5 rooftop helipads is all set to the open in Saudi Arabia? Did you know vegetables in Alaska grow gigantic because they receive 20 hours of sunlight a day? Did you know the angel of death? It was made with knives used in a crime to murder and damage people all across Europe. Do you know Iceland is the only country without mosquitoes, snakes and other reptiles. They also have a very few species of spider, none of which are harmful to humans. Did you know Rational Andre the Giant set the world record of the most alcohol consumed? He drank 156 beers in a single sitting. Did you know Nagasaki was not an actual target for a second atomic bomb in Japan? It was a Kokura city. But when the bombers arrived, their view was blocked by a cloud and thus they went to Nagasaki. Did you know Virat Kohli drinking water bottle price is 600 per liter, which is imported from France? Did you know MS Dhoni took approx 2.7 seconds to cover pitch with a pads on, while Cheetah took 2.89 seconds for his first 20 meters? Did you know Egypt is not a country with the most pyramids? Sudan has 225 snow pyramids, nearly twice the number of across Egypt. A 9-year-old boy from Canada holds Guinness World Record for a longest milk tooth of 1.02 inches. He will be soon receiving certificate from World Record. Did you know a Japanese soldier stayed hidden for 29 years after World War II ended, not knowing the war was over? Canadian woman lost her wedding ring while she was gardening in 2004, found it 13 years later when a carrot had grown through it. Did you know Nikola Tesla towards the end of his life fell in love with a white female pigeon and spent over $2,000 building a device that could fix or heal her broken leg and wing? A condition called fast awakening occurs when you are dreaming that you wake up but still are in a deep sleep. Did you know Bata is not an Indian brand? Bata is a brand of Czech Republic. Did you know most of Indians think that Dettol is a Indian brand, but Dettol is originally from a UK brand? Did you know most of Indians think that Colgate is an Indian brand, but actually it is a brand of USA? Did you know Narendra Modi is the longest non-Congress PM of India? Did you know eyes that have seen a nuclear blast Hiroshima August 8, 1945? Did you know India's first female doctor is Anandi? Did you know the first meme was created in 1921?